wall configuration, which sets the tack room at 4 feet, giving you a 20-foot stock compartment. So you can see in this particular tack room, we're going to have a 4-tier removable saddle rack, plenty of bridle hooks, windows in the nose, so you got plenty of ventilation, and then we're going to have a rubber mat in the floor for easy cleanup and to handle anything that you would have in there that would be dirty in nature. In the stock compartment, you can see we're going to have 2 open air gaps with removable plexiglass, 2 7,000-pound axles, heavy-duty torsions, single rear gate on the back. It just gives you a nice big open area to get your horses in and out of. This trailer, we're going to be a full 7 feet tall, so we do make sure we've got plenty of height in here for horses, plenty of room for cows. We've got a center gate that's going to give you 2 10-foot compartments. They've got exterior latch, so easy to get to those. The latch is going to hold them open. We've got LED interior lights. Down the side here, you can see we've got those exterior latches. We're going to have gravel guard kind of help protect those fenders. A skate stall here at the front. Angle iron, so you've got a purchase for your foot to be able to get up and stand up on the side. We're going to have, across the front of the trailer, we'll have more of the spray-on gravel guard and a spare tire. For more information on this particular trailer, give us a call at 1-800-688-8757 and visit us at our website at murdocktrailers.com.